By using RadSave, you can retain more heat in the room and save money on your energy bills. Firstly, measure where the centre of the window is and make a small mark. This is so the radiator will be in the right position to the window when it's fitted. Next, measure the centre of the bridges on the back of the radiator. Transfer this measurement to the wall. The top of the radiator can be positioned beneath the windowsill to a distance of between 10 to 15 centimetres, but this is normally a personal preference. When marking the wall, use a spirit level to keep your lines at right angles to the window. This will guarantee that when you drill your holes, they'll be in the right position horizontally and vertically. With the wall brackets in place, the radiator mounting tangs should be centralised to the bridges on the back of the radiator. Once centralised, tighten the locking screws to keep the centres. The radiator mounting spar can now be attached to the wall bracket using the two self-tapping screws provided. When attaching the second radiator spar, use the self-tapping screws provided, then adjust the locating tangs to line up with the end of the spar. You're now ready to lift the radiator onto the wall brackets. Because of the weight of the radiator, it's advisable to have someone to help you attach it to the brackets. Once the pipework is connected, you can pull the curtains neatly behind the radiator and keep more heat in the room. In fact, the University of Wales Trinity St David carried out an energy saving evaluation and found that by closing the curtains behind the radiator, the amount of energy needed to heat the room is reduced by nearly 22%. And that is going to make a big difference to your heating bills. By fitting these new brackets, you can use your current radiators or any wall-mounted radiators. Your curtains won't need to be scrunched up on the windowsill anymore, and they'll improve the aesthetics of the room. You can air clothes on them without causing condensation due to the extra space behind the radiator, allowing the heat to rise, and they're easy to paint behind. Radsensesolutions. You know it makes sense, saving you money and helping our environment. This product is protected with granted patents.